the exhaust is pops, 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 man. We got a bunch of riders behind us. What is up, everybody? This is Riding Insane. We got a couple riding homies behind us. It might be a little baby crew. I don't see any sports bikes yet. I don't see any sports bikes yet, so we'll see once we hit the traffic light. We're gonna stop a little bit back from the limit lane, and let's see if these homies pop up in the front, and let's see if these homies can show and tell they're beautiful things, if they are some beautiful things, and then we'll take it from there. But other than that, we heading home, dog. We heading home. I see a dirt bike. I see an FZ09. I see something else. It's chain driven. I first thought it was electric, but now that hoe is not belt driven or anything. It's chain driven. Alright, we got an FZ09. I haven't ridden with an FZ. Oh, we got an Aprilia. I think it's a Tuono. So let's see where that homie be heading up. I think it's a Tuono. And we got a mid-range Corvette. What is that? A 401? I've never seen that hoe. Okay, I want that Aprilia though. It's been a while since we F with Aprilia. FZ09 been looking nice. I like the. I've been looking into getting a naked bike. It doesn't have to be a hyper naked, but it has to have some serious amount of torque. So I've been looking at one of them hoes. Not right now, because I'm still waiting to see if the Street Fighter comes in a V2 model. Because that's probably going to be the one we go for. If the V2 comes out in a V2 model, because right now it's a V4. If it comes out in a V2 model, then we're going to F with it. That's going to be a bike I'll have to test ride and play around with. But I really want to see if I can get in a naked bike. Something with mad amounts of torque, man. Mad amounts of torque. What is this? Yeah, we got an Aprilia. I think there's an RSV4. I don't know what this hoe is though. 401. What the hell is that? Is that a Husqvarna or whatever? The 401 reminds me of that, but I didn't think it was a bike like that though. I want them hoes to lane split, man, so I can follow them. I really want to lane split myself. Oh, I know that guy too. The GTC Coupe. I want one of these hoes juices to flow and start lane splitting, man. I can't be in front of you because I'll disappear. You guys know me. We thug bodied, man. We thug bodied. We ain't know. We built different. We thug bodied. All right, we got an MT. I don't see the RSV. Seriously, this is the first RSV that I find that does not lane split. We got some other bikes up there too. Man, I want the Aprilia or the FZ. One of you hoes better lane split your asses up to the front so I can see what's what and where you guys headed. Cause I'm headed home and I can take so many different routes home, so it doesn't matter. I need to see where you guys be going. We got another bike be popping up through. It's an R6 or something. Okay, we got the Aprilia behind us. Let's see where he's going. This goose keeps going so goddamn slow and braking, which I like because he's being respectful to the motorcycles up there. So I dig the Aprilia won't act, man. Is you also a motovlogger? Why isn't you acting, son? Why isn't you acting? There he is. That's an RSV4, right? And this guy, he's yeah, that's RSV4 RF. I don't like the graphics of it. What does RF mean? Radio fetish? I don't know. Rash fetish. Rash. I think that's an FZ09. I thought he had nitrous, but it's just his little leather case with his water bottle in it. Thumbnail. But he has pretty much everything stock on them hoes. Yeah, homie, I'm not going first. You go first. You isn't a motovlogger. Alright, I is. This is my lifestyle. Ferrari, don't blaze it. Please, sir. Thank you for not blazing it. Is you gonna lane split? Alright. If you lane split, I'll lane split. Aprilia, I want you, dog. Freaking from the back. Hit you with the hot fast. Making millions, homie. Top there. So these are the jacket hoodie crew. All of these hoes got a hoodie on and then they put a jacket on. Alright, sir Aprilia, you have made me so sad, man. You have made me so sad today. with the way you are riding, sir. could have had something together. But I really feel like if I go with you guys, none of you guys finna clown. So we're just gonna head on home, man. I really thought somebody would have fun with me, man. It's an S1000. You look at me, you look at the riding gear, you look at all this juiciness overflowing from my body, and you think I'd do something, right? I would do something. I still gave him the finger, because that's just who I is. Even though he didn't agree to acknowledge me, he still didn't give me the finger. Finger me, man. For God's sakes, finger me. We got an M series up there. I could have made that light. For sure I could have made that light. But it's okay. You hear the upshifts? The exhaust is pops, 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 man. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I seriously love what I do. I love making videos. I love sharing this stuff with you. I love being myself out here on a motorcycle and just riding around on Nimbus, on Broly, on Kakarot, building them hoes, doing the ride and review series, the raw series, the normal moto vlogs that we're doing. Like, I'm just, guys, I can't tell you how much I love what I do. So it just makes me really happy knowing that there's so many of you guys out there who enjoy what I do. AMGs, I'm not sure if it's a GTR or not, but let's see what it does. I want to see if it clowns. Or it might just be in that lane because it wants to speed up and get into the very right lane to get on the highway. I'm just very, very tired. The weather was a lot better. It was super cold, but it's not super cold right now. The sun came out and kind of warmed up the butt cheeks. We ain't cooking any buns in the oven, but we still got something, you know, in the microwave, just, you know, keeping us warm. We just keep it warm. Oh, it's a GTS. I can't tell if it wants to speed. Yeah, he wants to speed. Are you my friend? Lane opens up, so let's see what he does. He looks like he's gonna speed. Bye-bye, homie. We'll leave her in race mode though. I feel like in race mode, in Super Saiyan 3 mode, she is loud as hell. She gets louder, I feel. Something happens and she gets louder. Which ain't a bad thing, but I'm just saying. I'm ready. Boy, I'm ready. Gun it. Give me green, I'ma gun it. Give me green and I'ma gun it, son. Alright, yeah, it won't give me green. That was cool. We saw an AMG TC or S, whatever it is, for a while. Them hoes are fast too. That's why I popped her in Super Saiyan 3 mode, because them hoes are fast. I gotta dodge that pothole, but I guarantee you I won't. Today went by real quick. I can't believe how fast today went by. But we had a lot of fun. I actually did a ride and review anime episode today too. That series is my lifeblood right now. I'm enjoying the hell out of it. Every single time I sit down to watch anime, I'm just so motivated. Dog. I'm just so motivated to watch. It's fun to watch, and when I'm taking down notes, I'm over here just, enjoying the entire process. That's what makes me so happy. And I hope that even after quarantine and all this sorts of stuff, working from home, I feel like I really, really hope that it kind of continues. And even though life kind of starts right back up and I'll be much more busy because I'm actually gonna go to work, I'm just hoping that the anime thing doesn't die off. Because sometimes I get obsessed with things, but then I lose my obsession towards those things real quick as well. So hopefully that doesn't happen with anime, because I really, really enjoy it, man. Like, I can't tell you how amazing it is to watch all this stuff. It's really hard for me. That car, the Honda, from the second to the left, has her feet up on the dashboard, and that is so gross. No, but it's so amazing because I can actually keep myself concentrated when I'm watching it. I get like souped up in that world, and like nothing else matters, and that's what I love, because it's really hard for me to concentrate on things. But like anime, especially with the cool stories and stuff, and things that you could never ever see in a normal life, the world they create, it's just epic, man. But yeah, so really enjoying it, hoping that after working from home it doesn't die off, we still continue the awesomeness, but we'll see. We shall see. Alright guys, anyways, I'm gonna head home. Super excited, super thankful for you guys. Until next time, this is Riding Insane. Remember to subscribe only because you love me, because I really love you guys, alright? I really love you guys, and me asking you guys to subscribe is, this line is just a way for me to tell you guys that I love you. So don't worry about subscribing, don't worry about watching, don't worry about liking, disliking. I don't care about any of that. Just thank you for all that motivation you guys feed into me, all the kind words, and watching me when no one else watches us. So until next time, I'm out. Peace.